What's up, y'all? You join me at the gas station as I'm filling up with about E25, and today we're going to be exploring some new roads. We're going to be driving 2.5 hours away to Clifton, Arizona, and there is going to start the Devil's Highway. So the Devil's Highway is supposed to be a really cool driving road because it has 460 turns within 123 miles. See here, I have the 360 camera set up on the car, so we should be able to get some cool scenery shots. I'm going to get in the car, get on the road, and I'll update you guys when we get to Clifton. These turns are wicked. Holy shit. We'll get a nice meaty downshift in this tunnel. Oh man. For this one. Oh man, so good. So I'll keep the maps up because I need to know how steep some of these turns are. Some of them are super sharp, and then some are like nice long sweepers. So yeah, we'll have to keep an eye on that. Look at those massive trucks up there. Holy crap, man. Kind of reminds me of Doom. Oh, there's another one over there. So it's pretty obvious this is a big mining town. Don't know if you can see the map, but this is a really windy portion of the road coming up right here. I'm pretty excited to see how this looks. 460 turns over 123 miles. It's insane. And the scenery now has completely changed. It's crazy. I would have never guessed there would be so much green right on the other side of all that mining. A sharp one coming up over here. Wow, what a steep incline. Holy sh... Wow, that view to the right is insane. If you hear any plastic sliding, that's my good old oatmeal cream pies doing work over there on the passenger seat. Whoa, steep turn coming up. The elevation does go up to, I think, 7,000 when you go all the way up. secure this good old oatmeal cream pie here in my pocket. Wow, look at that view to the left now. So cool, man, so cool. Best of all, no traffic whatsoever. So you can go as slow as you like. Go as fast as you like. Enjoy the scenery. But make sure you keep an eye on that map to know when these turns are coming up, because that is very important. Like that turn back there that we just did, blind, and it was going uphill, so you couldn't really see the cliff. But I knew from the map that the turn was coming up. Oh yeah, downshifts, baby, downshifts. Nice. Come on, man. This is awesome. Woo! Does not get better than this, man. Great weather, no traffic, cool windy road. It's like, you couldn't ask for anything better. I got an oatmeal cream pie in my pocket. Ooh, pine cones. That was cool. There was a random restroom there. Looked pretty nice. Oh, there's a rock in the road. Dodge that. There's a little sign right there that said control in brown. Not sure what that means. I just got new front brake pads too, so they could take some abuse right now. Ooh, we got a lot of twisties coming up right now. This might be a long video. Wow, look at that view to the left. It's gonna be too much good content not to post into this video. I saw some cowboys right there just now. That's really cool. You can see, be very careful up here. People have gone off. There's no railings. Wow. cabin noises only. Big rock in the road. God, this road is so fun, man. Really concentrating on these parts. All right, so we stopped off for a little bit, just give the car a little cool down, the hood open, and this road has been awesome, man. I mean, like I said, no traffic. You go as fast or as slow as you want. The scenery is freaking awesome. And yeah, I think this would be really cool if you like bought a group of cars, friends out to come and just do this road. It'd be pretty fun. You get to hear your exhaust echo against the walls and just all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna let it cool down for probably 10 minutes and then we'll turn around, head back into town. All right, time to do some windows up driving. Alrighty, that was awesome. Probably take it easy for the rest of the drive back. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you guys like this one, which you guys seem to do like the POV videos, I can continue to do more of them, especially with the canyon that we have in town. That's a pretty fun one. So once again, thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.